What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, guys. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle. Guys, today is Easter weekend, the start of Easter weekend. Guys, go out, have fun, drink, don't drive if you drink. Don't get too excited, don't get too happy, just have a wonderful time. And guys, if you know, say you're going to eat some olive bun and cheese, remember, don't eat too much because, you know, the sweet tooth there is very dangerous for all of us. But have a nice time, enjoy. And guys, you know, say, as some, what you call it, I don't know what name to really use because red snapper. All right, we're going to use the word. If you're not going to eat some red snapper, eat the red snapper then nicely and just have a nice holiday. And guys, we want to talk about this situation here. This a Florida man was charged for murder of his wife. Yes, we make a video about it this morning. However, guys, I come back with a different kind of news. A Jamaican man, listen what I just said a while ago. A Jamaican man have been charged in connection with the death of his wife. Did I just say a Jamaican man? Yeah, man, a Jamaican man. I don't know what getting to this level or what is getting our Jamaican brothers at this level where they have to be taking the life of their wives. It was about a month ago. We have in the same Florida, one man take the life of his wife, mother and father, and then turn the pew on himself. Guys, I have no idea what is really going on. Nancy Bowen, who authorities say was shot multiple times inside their home in Coral Spring. Authority also said from what they see and what the investigation going on, it look more like domestic violence gone wrong, which it always gone wrong. So guys, domestic violence is getting on a rampant. Domestic abuse is getting on a rampant. That's the reason why I believe you should always say something, talk to somebody, or look some help. Listen to what I'm saying here, guy. Investigation alleged that her husband, Stephen Bowen, carried out the fatal shooting the previous night. The previous night. So that means she was unalive on Tuesday night, going into Wednesday morning. Apparently, she's supposed to go to a meeting Wednesday morning, did not show up at the meeting. They contact the husband. What the husband said back in a text didn't sound good to them, so they contact the authority. Guys, this is not looking good. This is not getting better. This is getting worse and worse every day for us as Jamaicans living in the United States. Whether if you have green card or you're a citizen, because if every other month we're going to have a Jamaican national unaliving a human being, a woman, they're going to start to look at every single one of us as Jamaicans as the same, even though we are not the same people. But guys, there is something have to give. Something have to give. You cannot just decide when you're going to allow a person to live or when you're going to say, yes, you can live. Report indicated that Bowen later visited his uncle home on Wednesday morning where he allegedly confessed to the killing. When questioned about the motive, he reportedly stated that he cannot take it anymore. He cannot take it anymore. So because you cannot take what anymore, you decided to unalive your wife. Now, guys, let's think about this. Bowen have since been charged, taken into custody, and he's now at the Borough County main jail. He faced charges up to prematurely murder, premeditated murder, and tampering with physical evidence. Guys, you can't take it anymore. I don't know what he cannot take anymore, but there is channels, there is ways, there is a lot of things to do when you cannot take something anymore. You can go talk to somebody, you can go have dialogue with somebody, you can do a lot of things to get things out. When you have issues or you have any kind of problem, you can talk about it. You don't have to take somebody's life. This young lady is a lady that the community loves. She helped the community. She helped the community. Domestic violence is not a joke. Domestic violence is very, very serious. And it's something that we all need to look into and we all need to help our brothers and sisters. However, Stephen Bowen did not think or at least try to find a way to make it work. He decided to use a different type of ways to make it work by taking this young lady's life. Now, guys, we have to sit down and look at it in a lot of different ways. It's our Jamaican. It's our Jamaicans is doing some of these things, most of these things. My question is, why? Why? Why is it like that? It's been several months now that we've been having Jamaican men analyzing their wives, analyzing their woman, analyzing women. Women, they analyze it. Why? Is it start to become a problem now that our Jamaican men are just not lovers anymore? Or it's coming to a way that we Jamaican men are not, guys. So right now, there is no other threat out there to the Coral Spring community. There's no other threat according to the Coral Spring police. So people can be safe moving around. Domestic violence is at the ice that I have ever seen it. Domestic violence sometimes stays within, but domestic violence is now turning a new page. Domestic violence is more now out in the open than it used to be. Men turning pistol weapons on women, unaliving women, kids, and also themselves. Is there a plan for it? Is there a fix for it? Is there a way that we are going to able to at least sit down and ask ourselves what is really going on with our men's? What is really going on with our ladies? What is really going on in these relationships? Why it have to reach to this level of I don't really know the word to use. What is really going through these people head that is going to tell you that it's time I have to take her life or I have to take his life. What is really taking these people to this level of stupidity? Unaliving somebody who you said you love, you married to, is just stupidity to me. So, guys, again, a Jamaican national have been charged in connection with the death, the murder, the unalive of his wife, Nancy Bowen, who authority says was shot multiple times at their home in Coral Spring, Florida. Guys, when will it end? When will it end? Domestic violence is on a rise. What are we going to do about domestic violence? That's a question that we need to ask. That's a question we need to have conversation about. That's a question we need to have dialogue about. We need to do more for to stop domestic violence. We need to do more. We need to see something. We need to say something. Ladies, let me talk to you. Do not go in the relationship and believe you can change that individual. If you see something, if you see a change in that man, don't believe you can change him if he change into something different. Step away. Even though sometimes you step away and he step with you. Talk to the authority. Talk to the police. Go talk to the center. Go talk to, they can hide you. They can find place to put you. Don't be the other victim. Don't be the other victim. Viewers and subscribers, that was it. That's all I have for you on this. I'll be coming back with more information as soon as I get it. But right now, a Jamaica national, Michael, not Michael, I've made excuse, Stephen Bowen, a Jamaican national, was charged in connection with the death of his wife, Nancy Bowen, who is what should I say? The wife, who is now deceased, is from Haiti. Haitian nation people. My condolence. Big up on yourself. And to all of my viewers and subscribers them from Haiti. My apologies. And to all the family of Nancy Bowen, my condolence. My apologies. May her life flew high. Nancy Bowen, rest in peace. Heart goes out.